I'm gonna do a little Urbanic mini haul. I recently bought a few items from Urbanic and I really wanted to show you guys. So let's begin. So these are pretty much the clothes. So let's show you one by one. First off, one of my very favorite is this. Oh my god, it's so baggy. Whenever I wear this, I literally feel like hugging someone. This is the small size I ordered. It is the perfect bagginess. I will show you by wearing it. Oh my god. I mean, look at the sleeves. I sometimes fold it up a little when I feel very hot. It still looks so good and amazing. I have worn it in office one or two times and it just... Next are these jeans. Flare jeans. This is like a jegging. It does not have any button or any zip. It's just rubber band. This is also small size I ordered. Pretty bomb, I guess. Looks really nice. You can pair this with the previous top. Paired it with the black jeans. Good flares in the end. Definitely goes with this black and white top. The fit is amazing till here and it's very tight. You can pair it with any crop top as well. It would just look so amazing. So next is this top and the patterns are really cute on this. It has got a little U shape in the end. Oh my god, the fit is so good. Perfect length of the sleeves. Looks so pretty. This is just so pretty. It's just a bit transparent, so make sure you wear something nude inside. And yeah, you can just slay in this outfit. I'm currently wearing this with the black jeans. Let me show you. I just love the fit. Then I ordered this, what do we call this? Cardigan. Yeah. It has little cute clouds on it, on the sleeves as well, like very cute. I feel very cold in my office and I thought I would wear it someday, but I haven't worn it once. I just fell for its cuteness and nothing else. I actually bought this because this cardigan was very short and I wanted to wear something inside this cardigan and I did not have anything to wear. So I just thought, let's try this. But oh my god, I'll just die if I wear this someday because it's so hot. I need to go to London. You can wear something else as well inside. You get my point, how this cardigan looks and everything. In the back there are no clouds, but in the sleeves there are. So it's so cute. So pretty. Next I ordered this cute skirt from Urbanic. I wore it a couple of times. It goes well with the previous cardigan. Very cute skirt. A little high-waisted. It also has its built-in shorts, so you don't have to worry. You can just... Then I ordered this top. It is a little deep neck, but yeah, you can wear it without anything, or you can just put a white shirt and wear it. I wore this on Valentine's Day. I'll put a picture of it. Just a cute outfit for your cute date, even with yourself. Don't forget it. I think it's pretty stretchable. So it's just one size for everything. Let me show you with the skirt. I'm still wearing it, so let me just show you. Oh my god, it just looks so cute. I literally love it. Oh my god, you're not ready for this. You can see the design of this. It's very short. With the skirt, it just looks amazing, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear it ever outside. This is the back side, just a little piece of cloth in the back, and in the front is this. Definitely go for it. Amazing quality, very comfortable, and obviously you look hot and sexy. That's the bonus. It just looks absolutely... Currently I'm wearing something inside, but maybe I should remove it. This is how it looks. It just looks so good with this. But I can wear that with this. I love the sleeves. 2 pieces of cloth for time. It looks amazing. It is the best thing. So basically, I'm not gonna wear that alone. I'm gonna definitely wear this. You can just tie it and, you know, give it a good shape. A little transparent, as you can see. This is how the green top looks. Absolutely amazing. The flare sleeves just have my heart. Then are these jeans. I literally wanted a basic high waist jeans. It's the best high waist jeans you can ever buy. Like, it's so comfortable. Literally does the job. These are the jeans. Blue basic jeans. Very basic and very comfortable. By that we come in the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul. If you liked it, please let me know so that I can make more such hauls. Bye bye.